Welcome to the Microsoft Word training. Now we are going to be looking at how to insert calendar into your Word document. Sometimes you have a task that involves designing a calendar and you're trying to see how can I use the Microsoft Word environment to achieve this purpose. So to get a calendar into your Microsoft Word document, you have to go to the Insert tab and then, of course, go to the table. Under the Insert tab, go to Table, and then you'll see Quick Tables. So you can choose the type of calendar you want. This is Calendar 1, Calendar 2, and the Calendar 3. So I'm going to pick Calendar 2, and that's what you have. So you can format this. You can select and choose to apply table formatting to it to make it look attractive. You can edit it, can edit the table. Maybe you want to have the January date, and you can edit all these numbers. You can change them and have what you want. You can copy this. You can copy it. Just select from this square line and then you paste, and maybe you want to have the one for February, and you can also edit all the numbers so you can have your calendar designed the way you want it. You can apply table layouts. The calendar itself follows a table design format. So what it means is that anything that applies to a table applies to this also. So you can put, let me see, table design, you can put borderline. So if I choose table design, I can put borderline. So as you can see, it now has a borderline. So I can click this and go to table design and select borders. So all border. It's actually all border. So you choose all border. So you can do that just to make your calendar look the way you want it. So you can change the values, update it to maybe this one does not start here. You can easily do that. And, just for whatever reason, so just for update's sake, so you can choose to create your calendar the way you want. So that's how to quickly insert a calendar into Microsoft Word document and edit it for your own use. So the beautiful thing about this is that you can control the text, you can change it, because if you are copying a JPEG, an image, calendar, and you are bringing it into this place, you will not be able to update it. You will have to take it the way it is. But this particular one, you can customize it to your own format and then, of course, update it from time to time just for the purpose of, maybe you want to highlight to indicate some information and you want to apply some particular information to a particular date, and whatever it is that you want to do, you are in control. All right. So lastly, we're going to look at the calendar option from the inbuilt template in Microsoft Word. So we have the template options where you can also easily insert your calendar. So all you just need to do is click the File tab in Microsoft Word, all right, and you go to the home, you'll see the templates. So all you just need to do is click More Templates. So you have some few calendar options there. But let me start with the banner calendar. When you click on it, then you click Create, and then you will have the calendar show. So this one actually gives you multiple months. So what means that you have a full year calendar here. Then another one that you can easily put there is the single month. So that this one, so it's a month template. You can choose the horizontal calendar. Monday starts, then you click create. And then, of course, you can choose the month you want to start with, or you want to show. So in this case, I want to show February. So 2025, I'll just click OK. And then with this now, we can have a February date. And then, you have some options for events. You can easily set that up. So this one is a fantastic option for creating a personal calendar. So you can even put this on a card, print it on a card in color, and paste it beside your table in the office so that you can easily use this to schedule your appointment. You can create your own personal events, put the heading there, and voila, you have a beautiful calendar option. All right, so this is where we're going to stop. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.